Hey, what you reading? Wanna play instead? Ah! You're mean! I'll make you play with me then.
Oh yeah? It's on!
Ready, set, fight!
Hey! Stop it!
What's with all the cobwebs?
What happened to my room? How did we even get in here? I think we're underneath my bed.
Cool! A secret room!
First things first. This dust has got to go.
This thing is kinda funny looking. It catches a bunch of dust, huh? Kinda looks like cotton candy. When does this stuff even end?
Okay. Something pretty.
I think I may need a little help here. Whoa!
Now let me think here. Now that's what I'm talking about. Who doesn't love flowers, right? Something to really set the mood in here.
Gah! Why don't you do something now, Duster? Aren't you supposed to get rid of the stuff?
Here would be a good spot. If this weren't in the way. Leo?
Ugh.
You're covered in this stuff. Ooh, Q-tips. That's it. First, cut out a cardboard circle. Then paint it pink. Use red clay to make a small ball. Once it's perfectly round, stick it anywhere on the circle. You can do it with a whole bunch of colors. Break off the tip of a Q-tip and stick it in the circle. Fast forward, please. And now we move on to the stems. Draw a green line coming from each of the flowers. Make sure they're going the same way. And don't forget about the leaves. You can even turn this guy into a little bumblebee. Isn't he just the cutest? And these little lines just add to it. Ta-da! Isn't this just marvelous? Leo, don't you think it's great?
Nice! Wish I had something to contribute. Oh!
Leo? I don't want to know.
Get ready for some art, people! Sure glad I had these things lying around. It's all about the way you arrange them. They won't even look like thumbtacks when you're finished. Ready? Boom! How do you like that?
Not too shabby, I guess.
Well, that was an underwhelming response. It just needs… Whoa! What's that?
Oh! Hey! My yarn!
It's like this thing never ends.
Whoever has this should let go!
Ugh! Whoa! Nope, not today.
Wow!
Ugh! Grandma?
Ah!
She doesn't belong down here. Anyway, at least I got some yarn out of it. Maybe I can use it on here. Hope I have enough for all this. If I string it in just the right way, I can use it to create lines. Can you tell what it spells yet? All done! The most beautiful word in the world. See?
Nice! But I think I can do better. Let me think. Of course! There's gotta be something in there. Anything? Let's dig right in, shall we? This is kinda cute, right? What else is in this thing? Oh, this is a nice color. Ooh. And check out these painting tools. Now if only I had some paint. Wait! I really could use this easel here. Perfect. Hello? Paper? Oh! Thanks! Ow! Whoops. I just need the case. And something to hang it on. Oh! I think I can use this, right? I'll just leave a glob of it on here. Just gotta thin it out.
Ugh! Ava! This is not okay! I'm getting very angry! Gah!
Leo? Way to be dramatic.
A clean cut. That's good. Come on. This thing's barely working. I'm ripping it! Gah! That's right! Are you impressed? I suddenly feel more powerful. Mind if I borrow some of this? Cool! Time to get into battle mode. And what can I do with these bad boys?
Huh? Was that a bird?
Watch out for the bands, babe! Incoming!
Watch it, Leo! Hey! You made me splatter paint!
Sorry.
It's okay. I have an amazing idea. Twist the material around like this. And once it's in a ball, use rubber bands to hold it tight. Now use your dye or food coloring of choice and pour it on however you'd like. One color in each section is a good way to go. Next, bring on the pink. And if it bleeds into other sections, don't sweat it. That's all part of the process. You can even overlap things if you want. What color should I do next? Purple's always an excellent choice. Can you tell I love a good rainbow? The more colors the better, I say. Looks like I'm almost done here. And next, we let all the paint dry. And bam! Isn't this thing just fabulous? Shall we hang it onto the wall? All we need is a couple of push pins.
It was kind of both our ideas.
Wanna get dressed? Okay, what's next then? Oh! I nearly fell asleep. That means it's time to head to bed. I can't see! Let there be light!
I somehow got a little tangled.
Let me help you here. Just a few more spins, I think.
Ooh, why is everything still spinning? Who let the birds in here? Ooh. Ooh.
Nothing like the magic of twinkle lights. And I think these are the perfect length. Think this looks okay? At least they're not tangled. Check it out! And last but not least, they're on!
How'd you do that? Oh, I know! They're kind of like vines, right? Thanks. Nice! We can use these wild vines. You can string them along the lights. Put them to the wall like this. And fix some of the leaves, too. That looks super awesome, right?
Ah. I'm exhausted. But look how romantic it is in here.
Like a Tuscan villa.
I don't think so.
I tried. Ugh, she's been reading forever. Hee Poke, poke, poke!
Seriously, Leo? Just give me some space, will ya?
Ava?
I'm trying to read here.
Fine. You want space? Use 2 cardboard squares. And tape them together like this. Then add a triangle-shaped piece here. And another one on this side. Then there's space for one in the middle. There. I'm just about finished. Only one thing left to do. Easy. Easy. Ta-da! I made myself my own little fort. Enough space for ya?
That's not fair. Maybe if I bring him a little snack. Leo? I have something for you. It's your favorite.
Aw, why don't you come in here?
Wow! This place is pretty cool, Leo. I guess space is overrated.
Here.
Aw, for me?
Sharing is caring after all. And to think all this was under the bed.
It's just so perfect. It has a little bit of Leo.
And a little bit of Ava.
I just love it under here. Oh, kids? What's going on in here?
I think they're having a moment. Shall we leave them be?
This is gonna be a lot of work.
But it'll be fun!
Hey! What are you doing? That's my seat!
I was here first!
Stop it! Wait.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Musical chairs!
You're going down!
Yeah, down on the seat! No! Ouch, my butt!
Now look what you've done!
Uh-oh!
Wow, that was lucky.
What just happened?
We can use this to make a chair! We just need some more cardboard. This is perfect! Get drawing!
Are you serious? I hope this works. I can use this plant pot as a template. And I already have a pen. I'll just draw around the plant pot. Then I'll stick these pens to it. It'll help speed things up. That's exactly what I want. That works so well. I still need to cut it. Careful, I don't want to ruin it now. I think that's it. I don't need this. This'll be the frame. Now this glue gun. I'll just go around the outside with the glue. Then I can stick this cardboard to it. I just need to give it a press to make it stick. Whoa, this is looking amazing. I need to put a second frame on the opposite side. And use some glue to hold it. It needs more frames in the middle. These cardboard squares will make perfect slats. This'll strengthen it. Okay, now I have to cover it. This is the easy part. And this foam will give it padding. We want it to be comfortable. And this blanket will act as a cover. It's so soft. This'll add some finishing touches. I'm actually impressed. I should do this for a living. Whew. I need a rest.
Not so fast! I want to try it out! It was my idea after all.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Yes! Kylie said she's coming over! I gotta make things perfect. No girl can resist fresh popcorn. Wait, this one's facing the wrong way. Now that's better. Now for me. Can't be smelling like a gym sock today. Delicious. How's the hair? Clean shaven? Good. Good. Yes. How much longer? Phew. Stay cool, man. Let's get the movie revved up. Well, that's not good. There we go. I was worried for a second there. Come back! You were just working! Come on! No, no, no! This can't be happening! Just work for me, TV. I need you! Maybe if I rub its back. Maybe your wires are twisted. Just gotta get them at the right angle. How about this way? Still nothing? This has got to work! Come on! Yeah? Oh, going down! That's gonna leave a bruise. Wait! I forgot I still have that old box! Not all hope is lost after all. First, cut a hole in the side here. Then remove the lid. Put it to the side. And make a sense out of some styrofoam. It should fit right into the box. Put another one in the middle. Then stick your phone with your movie in the back. It should play perfectly now. Woohoo! Make sure to put it up high. Man! Phew! That's some good picture. Is she here? Thanks for coming over, Kylie. My favorite movie! Nice picture, too! A rose for a rose. And if you're hungry, I've got popcorn.
Thanks.
Just sit back and enjoy. My favorite part! Oh, I didn't disable my text! This is so embarrassing!
Trouble in the bathroom, huh?
This thing is soft.
Don't get too comfortable. There.
Whoa, this is tricky.
No peeking.
Where is it?
No!
What did I do? Oh, my mom's gonna kill me! How do you put a pot back together?
Ah! We've gotta think fast here!
It's Mom's favorite plant! She was so happy when she bought it.
She treated it like her baby! Remember how she'd tuck it in at night?
It's her pride and joy! And we killed it! The aquarium! I have an idea. These are kinda like plants, right?
Let's do it! This repotting is a delicate surgery. Scalpel! Good enough. Let's see here. The rocks can line the bottom. Now for the dirt. Gotta dig in here.
More dirt?
Perfect! Keep it coming! Last bit! Now push it flat. Stick a cute little house on top. And add in some fun plants. Ta-da! Isn't it adorable? Mom's gonna love this!
Definitely. We'd better get it back on the table. You're gonna be okay, little fella. Easy. There. Phew. That sure was a close call.
Up high!
Mom! What a day, what a day. Everything looks okay here. What on earth? Weird. Anyway.
Wish you had a secret room under your bed that you could escape to? Don't we all? Share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome creative ideas.